Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today, just like taking a look at the equipment we're using today and kind of the systems we're using. So just doing a 2-block long, 2-story building, very easy to do. You'll see there's some uppers. We're going to trad this entire thing. So you can see there's some entryways there. There's a couple of windows up on top of there. Use a couple P-sliders to get on top of it, short pole it with an 8-foot pole. The rest of this stuff, 15-foot pole, so we're using an 18-foot Gardner carbon fiber trad pole for that. When we do that upper stuff, we just want to use a ledger, easier to close out when you're doing higher pole work. So we have the Waterboy window cleaning cart that's available at windowworldsupply.com. And we're using the cart today because we're going to carry with us 2 different trad poles. We got the 18-inch Gardner, we got an 18-foot Gardner. We have a 8-foot sim pole trad pole. We're going to have a ledger. This is probably a 7-inch swivel ledger, might be a 9-inch. 18-inch sorbo channel on that. Standard sorbo channel, 18-inch with the swivel handle there. 18-inch applicator sleeve, and we're using the squirter bottle to measure out our concentrated window cleaning solution, which is a Winsol cleaner. Rags in the back dry bin, you know, water bottle, whatever, extra rubbers in there, whatever we might need. So the floater bottle and the Waterboy window cleaning tool cart is available at windowworldsupply.com. The rest of the stuff is just basic tools you can get at any supply store you need. So great job, because we got just clean sidewalks everywhere. Opens up farther down, so the cart's nice. Don't have to carry your bucket of water. Carries many tools on it. We're gonna have one guy go up and do these using the 18-foot Gardner pole, tradding these uppers. Well, another guy takes 2 P-sliders and uses the 8-foot trad pole to jump up on top and pull those uppers. And then we both meet at the bottom and doing walk-ups. Finish off the day. That's a look at our job site, kind of the tools that we're using. It's out here on Window Warriors Forum.